Avatar is conveniently located off Interstate 57, about 30 miles south from downtown Chicago. Avatar has a well-equipped QC and R&D laboratory with HPLC, GC, FTIR, UV-Vis spectrometer, and Carl Fisher titration equipment. The lab practices wet chemistry with the ability to provide assay and impurity analysis. A laboratory information management system, LIMS, is deployed to support the achievement of an SQF Quality and Food Safety Excellent rating for the 9.0 edition. Avatar's tank farm features stainless steel storage tanks, flexible tank hose feeds, and a production suite of over 80,000 gallons of various sized agitated and heated stainless steel blending tanks. Avatar's sustainability commitments include water, power, and land waste use reduction. The production area is under 100% positive pressure, supporting a sanitary environment. Additional production capabilities include a scraped surface heat exchanger, inline shear mixer, and an automated ideal pack filler. Avatar will be installing a pilot-scale blending suite in 2022, which will include heating and cooling ability to provide the optimal scaling to full production. Avatar would welcome your interest in our products and abilities.